AutoUGC AI is one of the most exciting AI tools I've seen recently, and today I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're into content creation, digital marketing, or just exploring AI tools that can take your work to the next level, you don't want to miss this. Stick with me until the end, where I'll also show you how you can try AutoUGC for free. Just click the first link below. AutoUGC AI is a game changer for anyone creating user-generated content or looking to boost their digital marketing efforts. It's designed to automate a lot of the heavy lifting involved in content creation. But what makes this software stand out? First, it generates high-quality user-generated content in minutes. Whether you're managing social media, handling marketing campaigns, or running your business's content strategy, this tool can save you countless hours. What's amazing about AutoUGC is how it personalizes content creation. With just a few inputs, it can generate UGC-style videos, images, and even social posts that are ready to go live. It uses powerful AI models to understand trends and target audiences, so the content it creates feels authentic and tailored. If you've been struggling with finding the right type of content that resonates with your audience, AutoUGC AI can fill that gap seamlessly. It's also incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be an AI expert or a pro video editor to use it. The platform is built to be intuitive, with a simple interface that lets you set everything up in just a few clicks. This means you can start creating content immediately without a steep learning curve. Another huge advantage of AutoUGC AI is the scalability. If you're a business owner or marketer managing multiple social media accounts or ad campaigns, this tool can churn out tons of content in a short amount of time. It's ideal for anyone who needs a consistent stream of content to keep up with the demands of modern digital marketing. When it comes to quality, AutoUGC AI doesn't disappoint. The content it generates is polished and professional, which is critical if you're representing a brand or working on high-profile marketing campaigns. Whether it's for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or even email campaigns, the tool produces content that looks like it came from an expert. Now here's something that sets AutoUGC apart: its ability to integrate with other platforms. You can easily plug it into your existing workflows, whether you use it for social media management, content automation, or even customer engagement. The flexibility it offers makes it a great addition to almost any digital marketing stack. Finally, the best part, you can try AutoUGC AI completely free through the link below. This is an amazing opportunity to explore what this software can do for your content creation and marketing. With AI taking over more aspects of digital marketing, AutoUGC positions itself as one of the best new tools for making content creation faster and more efficient. I've tested thousands of AI tools over the years, and this is one of the few I genuinely recommend. If you want to explore AutoUGC AI or other powerful AI tools, check out the description below for my top picks. They're all available to try for free. Don't miss out. Click the link to dive into AutoUGC AI today.